Many people love cats. These furry companions have a special place in our hearts and homes. Their playful antics and soft fur bring joy to our lives. Watching them chase a toy or curl up in a cozy spot can be incredibly soothing, but for some, getting close to a cat can trigger a whole different reaction. Instead of joy, they experience discomfort and irritation. This is because of cat allergies, a common condition that affects millions. These allergies can make it difficult to enjoy the company of a cat. Cat allergies happen when your immune system overreacts to proteins found in cat saliva, urine, and dander, which is dead skin. These proteins are known as allergens. Instead of recognizing these proteins as harmless, the body sees them as invaders and launches an attack. This immune response is what causes the symptoms. This immune response leads to the release of histamine and other chemicals, causing a variety of uncomfortable symptoms. These can include sneezing, itching, and more. These symptoms can range from mild, such as a runny nose, to more severe, like difficulty breathing. In some cases, it can even trigger asthma attacks. Understanding cat allergies is the first step towards managing them effectively. Knowledge is power when it comes to dealing with these reactions. By learning about the causes, symptoms, and ways to minimize exposure to allergens, you can create a more comfortable and cat-friendly environment for yourself or your loved ones. Simple changes can make a big difference. What exactly triggers these allergic reactions? Many people suffer from symptoms like sneezing, itchy eyes, and even respiratory issues when they are around cats. The main culprit is a tiny protein called FeLD1. This protein is incredibly potent and can cause significant allergic reactions even in small amounts. This sticky protein is found in cats' saliva, urine, and dander, which are dead skin cells. When cats groom themselves, they spread this protein all over their fur. When cats groom themselves, they lick their fur, spreading FeLD1 all over their bodies. This grooming process is a primary way the allergen gets distributed. The protein then becomes airborne on tiny particles of dander, which can float in the air for hours. These particles can easily be inhaled, leading to allergic reactions. It's important to note that all cats produce FeLD1, regardless of their breed, hair length, or whether they live indoors or outdoors. This means no cat is completely hypoallergenic. However, some cats produce less FeLD1 than others. This can make a significant difference for people with mild allergies. In addition to FeLD1, cats also produce other allergens such as FeLD4 found in saliva and albumin found in cat serum. These additional proteins can also contribute to allergic reactions. While FeLD1 is the most common allergen, these other proteins can also trigger reactions in sensitive individuals. Understanding these allergens can help in managing and reducing exposure. Cat allergy symptoms can vary from person to person. Some people experience mild reactions while others have more severe symptoms. One of the most common symptoms is sneezing, often accompanied by a runny or stuffy nose. You might also experience itchy, watery eyes and a scratchy throat. In some cases, cat allergies can trigger skin reactions such as hives or eczema. These itchy red welts can appear anywhere on the body after coming into contact with a cat or cat allergens. If you have asthma, exposure to cat allergens can trigger an attack, causing wheezing, coughing, and difficulty breathing. In severe cases, a life-threatening allergic reaction called anaphylaxis may occur. Section 4. Invisible Invaders: How Cat Allergens Spread. Cat allergens are incredibly small and lightweight, allowing them to easily become airborne and linger in the environment. These tiny particles can float around for extended periods, making it difficult to avoid them. When a cat grooms itself, it spreads saliva containing FeLD1 onto its fur. This allergen-laden saliva dries and turns into microscopic flakes. As the fur dries, microscopic particles of dander carrying the allergen flake off and become suspended in the air. These particles are so small that they can easily be inhaled. These particles can remain airborne for hours, even after the cat has left the room. They can settle on various surfaces and be stirred up again with any movement. Cat allergens can also cling to clothing, furniture, bedding, and other surfaces. This makes it easy for them to spread throughout your home. This means you can be exposed to allergens even if a cat hasn't been in your home or if you haven't directly touched one. Allergens can be transferred from one place to another without you even realizing it. Furthermore, cat allergens can be carried on shoes, clothing, and even other pets, making it easy to unknowingly transport them from one location to another. This widespread distribution makes managing cat allergies particularly challenging. Section 5. Peaceful coexistence, managing cat allergies. Living with cat allergies can be challenging, but it's not impossible to find ways to manage symptoms and enjoy the companionship of feline friends. The key is to minimize exposure to allergens as much as possible. Regular cleaning is crucial for reducing the amount of cat dander in your home. Vacuuming carpets and upholstery weekly with a HEPA filter vacuum can help remove allergens trapped in fabrics. Washing bedding, curtains, and other washable items frequently in hot water can also help remove allergens. Consider using dust mite-proof covers on mattresses and pillows to prevent allergens from accumulating.